Welcome back, nail crew. Today is the day I'm finally doing my Model 1 giveaway. But before I do that, I want to show you guys some hemp oil I've been using. So this company reached out to me and asked me to try their hemp cuticle oil, right? But as I looked into it, I noticed that this was just not a cuticle oil, okay? Wait until I show you guys everything that you could use this for. So I have two bottles. One of them is open because I have been using it for the past couple days, and then this one is new. So I'm going to use a package as a backing because the glitter is kind of making it glare a little bit, and I want you guys to see what the package says. So right on the front, it tells you hemp oil, and it does say 5,000 milligrams. Ultra high hemp oil. So just so you guys know that. And then on the back, I'm showing you guys the ingredients. It's so small, so I know you cannot read it. But I do encourage you guys, if you're interested in this type of oil or this type of product, go on Amazon, look at the ingredients closer where you could really read them. Make sure that you're not allergic to anything in here. But like I said, they reached out to me and told me that this was a cuticle oil. But I have used this. I've used this to help me relax. I've used this to help me go to sleep. You guys know that I have insomnia. So I'll show you guys. Here is the consistency of it. It's oily. It just feels like a regular oil. I'm going to taste it. And it tastes like oil. So it drops like an oil. It looks like an oil. It just tastes like an oil. What can I say? So if you wanted to just use this as a cuticle oil, you would just take the dropper and just drop a little bit on your cuticles, just like I'm demonstrating here. And again, this is what they marketed to me as a cuticle oil. I just decided to do my own digging and found out that you could use this for many other purposes. And I will show you guys that here just shortly. I just want to show you what my nails look like. Let me do the other hand. I'm a Libra. We like balance. So I did one hand. Might as well just do the other hand and rub that in. It feels so good. It feels like a nice oil. Like, what can I say? I'm going to just get my nails all pretty for you guys. Excuse me while I take a moment. So cute. Okay, so as promised, these are all the things that you could use this hemp oil for. All these things. Do you see this? Oh, and they told me cuticle oil. Come on. All of that. Come on. Don't sell yourself short. And again, this is what the package looks like. All right, guys, so moving on, I got a new intro, and Muffin made it for me. I love everything about this intro, guys. I'm going to play it one more time for you. And I think I'm going to play the music, too. Here we go. All right, guys, I can't think of any other way to stall you guys out. So here we go. The first color is color number 26. I'm going to open it for you guys just to further entice you. Ooh. And the winner of number 26 is Lady T. Hit me up, Lady T. Hit me up. All right, here is the next color. This one looks so golden beautiful. Look at that sparkle. And the winner is Lady in Mauve, color number 20 from Model 1's Lady in Mauve. Hit me up. And next we have color number 24. Number 24 is a beautiful glitter shimmer color from, look at that. Look at that. Who is the winner of this gorgeous color? Oh my gosh, Siobhan. Hit me up on Instagram, Siobhan. You are the winner. And number 22 also looks like there is glitter in it. Oh my gosh. Let's give her a little open and look at that. Who is the lucky winner? Shadarian Jones. Congratulations. Hit me up on Instagram, you guys. Hit me up on Instagram. Just give me your address and I will mail these out to you as soon as I can. This is color number 21. Let's open her up. Let's open her up. beautiful, just like all the other colors. Beautiful glitter. Beautiful color number 21 goes to Skittles. Hey, Skittles. Hit me up on Instagram. All of you guys, congratulations to the 5 of you. Hit me up on Instagram. Claim your prize and send me your address. I will mail it out to you as soon as I can. Now, before I leave, I want to show you guys one more thing, because I got these a few weeks ago and I just have not shown them to you yet, but I just got to pull them out because we're already talking about Model 1s. So I might as well. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys, they have a new monomer. This one is a slow setting monomer. So here's the back. I'm not going to demo the monomer, but I will smell it for you guys. It's sealed, as you could tell. Fantastic. And it smells like regular monomer. So because it was slow setting, I thought that it would have been low odor. It does not smell awful, but it does smell like regular monomer. So here's the previous one that I used in my last video, and I told you guys I liked it. So I will do like a head-to-head battle, and I will compare the two, okay? So I wanted to show you that. Then I got a new brush from Model 1s. Hey, Model 1s. You guys stay showing out over here, and I love it. Low key, like, I love it. So look at the brush. Now, I did have a brush like this from Model 1s before, and it was a smaller brush. I think it was like a 9 or a 10, maybe even an 8. It looked just like this, but it was really small. So I didn't use it because, as you guys know, I use a size 12. Well, this one is a size 12. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I really love how it feels when I use it, because that could potentially be my new main brush, especially because it's so pretty. Now I want to go show you guys the pigment. So I'm actually going to take this one out of the package and use it for you guys. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is like a chrome powder, or a chrome powder pigment, whatever you guys want to call it. So look at that. I'm showing you guys the color on the lid, and I'm going to actually rub it on my nail. And I don't think it's going to, well, it's sticking. I didn't think it was going to stick because I didn't prep my nails correctly. As you guys know, when you do chrome powder, you put the top coat on for a few seconds and then you rub the chrome powder on. If you overcure your top coat, the chrome powder won't stick. Well, obviously these nails aren't prepped for chrome powder, so I didn't think that it was going to stick, but it stuck really well. I just wanted to see how well it was going to work. I was giving a little quick test. So far, it looks nice. It worked. I'm surprised, but I will do a complete demo for you guys in another video. This video, I just had to show you guys because when I got them in the mail, I was so excited. That one's like a little, like a neutral kind of color, I would say. I don't know. I'll swatch them for you later. I'll swatch them on like a light color and a dark color, because as you know, when you use pigment powders over a light color or a dark color, it changes it completely. It gives it a total different vibe. Ooh, that's a blue one. That will probably look really, really good on my nails. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot wait to play with these. These are so cute. And they just look so fancy, right? And what I love about this is that it's less messy, and you don't need to get an applicator to put your chrome powder on, and you don't have to worry about spilling your chrome powder. Who spilled the chrome powder? Me. Raise your hands. Me. Yeah. Okay. This one is a cute green one. I like that one as well. Ooh, maybe I should do a video where I compare regular chrome powder and these kind of pen styled chrome powder. So I'll compare the regular one and these and see, do they work the same? Do they look the same? Is it actually less messy? Like, I'll put them to a head-to-head competition for you guys, because you guys always ask me that. How do they compare to that? How do they compare to the, like, you guys want me to compare everything. So I know that's going to be a question that's going to come up. Yes, I will do it. I have like 20,000 videos I want to do for you guys. I just don't have time, but trust me, I'm trying my best. I am. All right, I gave you guys a full look at the entire box. Again, I'll be playing with that monomer and that brush. Congratulations one more time to the Model 1 winners. Don't forget to hit me up in Instagram, please, ladies. Please, please, please hit me up so I can send them out to you as soon as possible. Like, I would love to send them out to you tomorrow if I can. And I want to say another thank you and shout out to Muffin for making my intro and my outro. If you guys need a new intro and or outro, hit me up. Information will be in the description box, and I'll forward that over to Muffin. She'll give you prices, and you guys can just go to work from there. I love you guys so much. Bye.